Hi everyone, this is day 2 of solving everyday problem using 3D printer. There are two problems. The problem statement 1 is we need to make a mobile holder in which we can place the mobile in the landscape mode and in the portrait mode. And the second is we need to make a mount for mobile charging near the socket, or it should be mobile, like we can take it anywhere wherever we want to any other socket, or it should work in both vertical and horizontal. Let's jump into the 3D designing phase. This is working. Now we have tested. And if you have any problem statement, please let me know in the comment section so we can solve it together using 3D printer. This is Shell E Empathy series. Thank you.